Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up our timeless crochet amazing style granny square designs ideas. Crochet granny square designs ideas. Get ready to create a beautiful and versatile project. Hopefully you like this video and hopefully you like all the ideas, all the designs. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. In this video we will be making a stylish and amazing style granny square using yarn and technique. Learn how to crochet a stunning squares that's perfect for blanket, pillow covers, cushions cover, coasters. Many different ideas such as girls bag, girls crop top and many other ideas. You use this granny square and make many different ideas. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. To join the round, we will use technique. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or granny square styles. Add embellishment like button, applique work, flower, beads, pearls, stones and many other accessories you use and decor your granny squares easily. And that's it, your granny square is complete and ready to use, Hopefully you like this video and hopefully you like this all the collection and different ideas. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload it next video about your comment. Please share your creativity with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about Afghani patterns, Afghani pattern, girl dresses, crochet work, flowers and different ideas, different accessories. You visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Happy hooking. We will be see you in the next video. Take care of yourself, like this video and share with your friends, relatives, customers and crochet work experts and others. Perfect for beginners, easy to learn and crochet ideas. Versatile use to blanket, pillow cover, cushions cover and more ideas. Winter granny square blanket, spring floral granny square pillow covers and many other ideas. You visit my channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Take care of yourself, like this video and share with your friends, relatives, customers and other, and be share your creativity with us and happy hooking. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Bye bye.